So much. Good to hear that they're taking care of the veterans. Well, it is time for the Alarm Clock Pep Rally.
I mean, this is the big one, right?
It is.
Okay, Allie Wagner's live at Steel Canyon High School.
Take it away.
Good morning, Steel Canyon High School. We're here for the Carl's Jr. Alarm Clock Pep Rally. Right now, Mike Eddy, take it away.
Let's go! Are y'all ready? Come on with it. Come on with it. Let them know. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get ready. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go! I can't hear. Yo! So here's what we're gonna do, y'all. Here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do real quick. Here's what we're gonna do real quick. Here's what we're gonna do real quick. I need y'all to hear me out real quick. Here. Check it out, y'all. Let's run that track back one more time so West Hills can hear us. Let's let them know. Turn that track all the way up. Yeah. Hey, Cougars, are you ready? SC, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Can you see our name in lights? Know that we the champions in our hometown. Friday night at Cougar Stadium, it's game time now. Ain't even trying to brag, but when we come around, everybody say, yeah, now we the best. We gotta keep it real. We thought you knew no matter what you... Yeah, and we the best. We gotta keep it real. We thought you knew no matter what you... That's right, C-O-U-G-A-R-S. Ain't nothing like the school S-T-H-S. Going hard every day, even on the field. But when the game's on the line, since the year 2000, we made it a trend. Wearing navy blue, cloud white, cardinal red. We got fans in the stand with SC pride. Everybody on your feet, holla. Old lineman already keep QB intact. Let the D-line loose and push your yardage back. And when you think we done, we bringing it back. We CIF bound, baby, head of the pack. And let me tell y'all something when the game's on the line. West Hills High School ain't never stealing your shine, never stealing your grind. Y'all way too fresh. Let me tell you which squad that I know is the best. Hell, sing it, sing it, sing it. Go! Let's go! Let's go! Woo! Let's go!
Thank you very much, Mike Eddy. Good job. Good work there on the mic. All right, let's get to this helmet thing. Oh boy, big game tonight against West Hills. How's it gonna play out?
Hey, we've been preparing all night for this game, baby. You better take that Grossmont League. We coming for you, West Hills. Let's go, baby. Mike Eddy got something to show you.
Hey, so I'm trying to figure out where should we put this sticker, man? Where should we put this? I mean...
Right on top of that bush, baby. See that? Stop that here, baby.
Oh boy, they're pretty pumped up here at Steel Canyon. Let's check out the cheer squad. They're gonna get all pumped up right now. Let's go, Steel Canyon. Let's hear it for them, Steel Canyon. Let's get pumped up.
You guys see it yet? It's supposed to be somewhere hidden in the jungle. You guys think it really exists? I don't know. But let's go search for it. All right,
Are you boys the Candyman in search of a secret kingdom? Tell us, girls, have you found it? Yeah, we'll take you there.
I'm so excited. I can just bust it.
All right, Steel Canyon, we need you guys to get pumped up. We're going to bring the noise meter. Let's see if you can break the record. Let's go.
Great job out there, Allie. It's hard to believe. 112. I don't know what Valhalla did to reach 129.
I know, man. I was so into the airband thing they were doing. That was really cool.
Really good.
Yeah.
They had some moves.
Yeah. Great job, Steel Canyon and Allie.